Yo, 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 free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy NFL Sunday, alright? NFL Sunday. It's gonna be a FanDuel video mixed with the regular cash out video. So this is what I do. I'm trying to teach y'all how different ways that you could take this free money that I teach you how to make on my channel and invest it in different ways. Now, a lot of people, if you don't do sports gambling, I understand. But the people that do sports gambling, this is the holy grail, alright? This is the holy grail. You can take free money from my YouTube channel on the different sites I teach you how to make money. You could take that money, even if it's $10, $20, $30. You could invest it in sports gambling. You could invest it in yourself. You could invest it on buying a book, buying a course. Use it for one of these apps that you could pay for that earns you money or helps you make more money. Or you could use it on ad spend, for you could spend ads for whatever you got going on. Internet wise, even off the internet, like offline. You could do a lot of different things. It's up to you to figure out what are you going to do with $10, $20, $30 every day that you're making on the computer. What are you going to do with that money? After a month, when you have $900, after a month, after you have $300, $400, what are you going to do with that $300 or $400 by the end of the month? It's up to you. If you don't invest it right, then it's going to just you're going to keep spending and just keep doing the same thing over and over. But if you invest it right, you can move on in bigger and better ways to make more money, online, offline, or whatever. I'm just really trying to help everybody out there. If I could just help 1 million people, that's my goal. Once I get to that, try to help 2 million. So like I said, this is what I do every single day. All right. Shout out to all my online money makers out there. I appreciate all the love. 6,669 subscribers. I appreciate all the love. Hit me up on Instagram at Free Online Money Maker. Follow me on Snapchat, Free Online Money. Hit me up on Facebook at Jesse Lewis. All right, I'm on LinkedIn. You could email me. You could whatever, people, whatever. DM me from my Instagram. I get back to you the same day. Ask me anything. I'm super transparent. All right. So let me dive into my accounts right here. It's my Prize Rebel account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 different sites I'm going to cash out on right now. You can see what last time I cashed out. Today's the 15th. I ain't cashed out in 9 days. 9 days. I made $27.31. All from my referrals. All right, I didn't have no time to do anything, especially with my new job. So I really don't have time to do anything. I might run ads on here, so I might probably have like $2 or $3 made off of running ads, but the rest of the money is all from my my referrals. All right, so this is what you do. You get up on the site, you watch one of my tutorials, you study it, you start making money online. You start recording yourself making money online, whether it's a video like this. Or you could just take snapshots of your history. Take snapshots when you finish complete a survey. Take these pictures and post them on your social media. Share your content. Share your content. Tell your friends about it. You'll have to stay consistent though. You can't just couple days and then some days. If you stay consistent every day, it's gonna show. It's gonna show increase. It's gonna show interest to other people. All right. Let me go to rewards right here. Go to rewards right here. $27.31. I'm gonna cash out $20. I'm gonna have $7.31 still left. Why is this not working? Okay. Let this load up here. And I'm running a little late, 12:38. I've got about 20 minutes to put these bets in. I'm gonna put the bets in on my phone though. I don't know if y'all can see that. I have FanDuel on my phone. I'm gonna show you the screen, but sometimes it takes too long when it goes through. I don't know why. Sometimes it tells me it's not reading my location or whatever. So I just do it on my phone. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the FanDuel's right here on the phone. See, I got $70 in my account, but I'm gonna show you guys on the I'm gonna show you guys on the screen here. I just want to show you how I cash out this money, take that, and I could use that for anything I want. Now I already have $70 in my account, so I'm not gonna be using this money. This money right here. I need some gas, and I gotta go to ShopRite, Walmart, do some shopping, put some stuff in the fridge. So I'm gonna fill my gas tank up with this money. I don't know how much money I already have in there. I think I have $10 or $20 or something like that on my card. So once I add this up, I can be able to fill my gas tank up, fill the refrigerator up halfway at least, and I should be good to go for the rest of this week. Prize Rebel, claim this item. $20 cash out right here. I'm gonna cash out another $5 later because I could cash out up to $25 right now. So I could also do custom, but custom takes too long. So I tell everybody stay away from custom. It just takes too long sometimes. Maybe because the amounts I put, I don't know, but I don't like doing custom. But if you don't need the money right now and you want all of it out, you just do custom. Sometimes it take 12 to 24 hours. In my points right here, it's my Offer Nation account. Like I said, all of these sites go watch my tutorial. Once you're done watching the tutorial, use my link so you can get your account's gonna run smoother if you use somebody's link. If you don't want to use my link, then use somebody else's link. But don't just sign up without using somebody's link, because that way it's like your account's gonna move smoother. All right, if you don't do that, it seems like the accounts don't run as smooth. It probably will still, but I don't know. Every time I experience I had, every site that you see I use, I use somebody else's link. All right, so you have to understand that. I use somebody else's link, and then my account's running smoothly, and I just do what I have to do. Now, obviously, I told you guys, 90% of all my earnings are from my referrals. I probably just run videos or do easy tasks and stuff like that. Let me go to withdraw. I'm talking too much. Let me hurry up here because the time is running. Always go to instant PayPal. $11. So $11 plus the $20. It's already $31 going to be in my PayPal. As soon as it clears, I'm going to rewarding ways. Like I said, watch my tutorials. I have about 20 to 30 different tutorials on each site that I show you. I show you different things on the tutorials, so it's up to you to really watch that. Let me refresh this, see if I got some more points here. This is about $6.22. Let me see if I got some more money in here. After this loads up here. Like I said, people, it's every single day. So $6.26. That's gonna be around $6.22. 610.99. Convert to cash. Computer's very slow. Apologize for that. Computer's very slow. Little man acting crazy in the background. Come on, what's taking so long? Did I not click this? Convert to cash. Converted $6.23. Go to withdraw. Go to minimum here. I think I might have to. Oh yeah, go to withdraw. Always go to instant PayPal. $6.23. So that's $21. That's $31 plus this $6. So it's $37 cash out. I think I only have like $1 in here. Still gonna cash it out. $31. I'm gonna refresh this. 31 plus the 6. That's $37 cash out. $37 cash out. I got about $250 here. 129. 60. Superpay.me. Like I said, use my. What do you mean? Oh, my bad. 60. $2.67. Go here. Rewards. Go to withdraw cash. And now, like for example, if I didn't have money in my account, I would use this. I would use this money, but I have $70 in my account. I'm gonna probably take 2 bets. I'm probably gonna cash out $20 for myself, and I'm gonna do 2 bets. Hopefully, those 2 bets win for the night. All right. I'll check my PayPal. Let me check my PayPal real quick. $17 went through, so I'm waiting for the rest of the money to come in. All right, waiting for the rest of the money to come in. But $17.78 is already cashed out in there. I'm going to refresh this, see if I could get that back. All right, so $20.40. All I'm probably waiting for is the other 20 from let me see if Prize Rebel gave me. Yeah, I'm waiting for the other 20 from Prize Rebel. I transferred $10 earlier. So all I'm waiting for is that $20 from Prize Rebel still didn't go through yet, okay? So I'm getting on my FanDuel right here. All right, let me finish this strong right here for you guys. Sorry that I posted this late. I apologize. I had some landscaping to do, landscaping business I had this morning. I had to do that. Stuck in traffic, took the wrong highway. I was stuck in traffic for like an hour, which really killed my time. Let me see if it'll work. Let me log out of here. I'm gonna log out my phone. See my account right here, I got $70. See that? All right, so I'm gonna log out of here. Log out. All right, log out of there, and I'm gonna log into here. All right, so I logged in right now. I hate that it always says this. We cannot verify your location. Blah blah blah. Whatever. I don't know why it does that. It keeps doing that all the time. It says my funds is 0, but it's not. I have $70 right here on my phone. Here's the $70 right here. So something's a little fishy with this. I don't know why it's acting like that. But I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. I'm picking Ravens. I'll stay away from the Bills and Giants because they're both trash teams. So I'm not going to say they're trash teams, but they're both in like a rebuild stage right now, right? So I'm going to stay away from that. I got the Cowboys over the Redskins. I like that one. I like Texans in this game. I like the Chargers here, but it's too close. I can't trust the Chargers. I like the Packers. That's going to be a dog fight right there with the Vikings, but I like the Packers. Take New England just because to boost my points up. I like the Seahawks. I really like the Seahawks tonight, but I'm not going to pick them because it's going to be a close battle because the Steelers have to win this game. So I'm going to stay away from that. That'll be my picks for the early games. All right? I could have sworn I had 4 teams. I had 5 teams earlier. Ravens, Redskins, Texans, Packers. Oh, there's 5 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 teams. Plus 29. So if I was to put $30, I would win $107. If I put $20, I would win $71. So I think I'm gonna put 28. I'm gonna put $28. $28 is gonna bring me $100. All right, so I'm gonna put $28 to win $100. Like I said, people, I usually be betting way more, but like with my new job, and I'm just starting off learning, and I only get paid by commissions. So right now my job is a little tough because I'm new. So once I get that going, once I master that craft, I'm really gonna be able to put some big time money in here. But right now I can't. This is what I could put. If it was up to me, I would at least put $100. $100 would win you $360. So if I had $100 to spend right now, I would spend it and it would give me $360. But if I put $28, it'll give me $100 even. If I was to say if I put $50, it would make me $179. It would make $179. But what I'm going to do is on my phone, I'm going to put $28 because I don't know why this is acting like this. We cannot verify your location, blah, blah, blah. I downloaded the browser plugin 50 million times. It keeps asking me to download it again. I don't know what's wrong with it, so I'm just going to use my phone. Yeah, these are my picks for today, all right? Baltimore Ravens, Cowboys, Texans, Packers, Patriots. I'm going to try to upload this video now so you guys can have it. I should have just probably went live. on YouTube. That probably would have been way better, but sometimes it'd be lagging, so I didn't want to go live. Next week, I'll definitely go live for you guys. So these are my picks for the 1 o'clock games. If you're going to bet, pick 1 o'clock games, then bet on 4 o'clock games, then bet on a night game, or you can put the 4 o'clock games with the night game, however you want to do it. For my night picks, I like the Kansas City Chiefs over the, I like the Chiefs right here over the Raiders. Stay away from the Bears and Broncos. I love the Saints. I love the Saints in this game. I love the Eagles right here in this game. They should blow them out. We usually don't play them well, but we should blow them out. I like the Eagles in this game. And Jets and Browns, I love the Browns. I love the Browns in this game. All right, people. So free online money maker. I'm teaching you how to take free money and invest it into something else. Maybe it's not FanDuel Sportsbook. Maybe you bake cookies. Maybe you got a cleaning service. Maybe you got a car detailing service. Maybe you, I don't know, anything that you do. Like, even if you buy sneakers and flip sneakers, some people do, flip sneakers. Like, some people do so many different things you could do to make money. All right, it's up to you to find out what do you do, what can you do, what are you good at that you can make money off of. Then you take free money and invest in that. Now you can make more free money because you're investing in something you already know how to do. You already know you're good at it, and you continue, and you always have free investment money. All right, this is why I show my channel like this. All right, so hopefully I get a good win right here. I need 5 teams to win. These 5 teams win, I have an extra $100 in my pocket for today. All right, watch out. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna teach you how to make $100 unlimited. All right, I'm teaching you how to make $100 unlimited. It's a little tough for people that's not living in New Jersey. It's gonna be a little tougher for people that's not living in New Jersey, but you can still do it. All right, the power of the internet, you can still figure it out. You can still figure out how to get it done. I'm just planting the seed. I'm just helping people. I got a great opportunity to make people $100 a day or every single day or more than multiple, just to make $100 unlimited. I'm gonna teach y'all about that in my next video. Stay tuned, stay focused, stay dedicated. NFL Sunday. I'm gonna try to post this video up right now. I doubt it'll get up in 10 minutes, But I apologize for the late picks. But you can see my picks. You can pick live, right? You can pick live bets. Follow me. Shout out to my subscribers. Peace.